to my channel. And this is a video where I let my budgies out of the cage. And these new budgies, they've only been out of the cage once before, and it went well. So yeah, I'm gonna let them out. Also, hello Frodo! Oh, adorable, yes you are. Anyway, see you when I have opened the cage. So yeah. Now the cage is open, I've opened it. And yeah. Lola! Come out. And now the new budgies are out. Also, I've got a name for this one, which I got. And yeah, her name is now Lily. So yeah, that's her name. Come out, Lily. Good girl. Now all of the budgies are out. It is interesting. Because Frodo is just there, as all of these budgies are in the game. What are you doing? Satan, what are you doing? Okay, doing whatever you are doing. Keep up that good work. Hello, Lola. Lily. This one doesn't have a name yet. I'm still thinking about it, but yeah. So we have Frodo, Lily, Lola, Yas, and so on. Also my snail. Carmel is there somewhere, but yeah. Hello. Oh gosh. Also, I do have my windows closed a bit, but you can see it since it's a bit too bright. Let me see. Yeah, the blinds are up, so they will fly into the window. Oh my god, they're flying at this point and having lots of fun. Oh, Lola. Oh, you won't be there, okay? Yeah, but the budgies are now out, and yeah, this was this video. So bye bye.